Picture this. You're sitting at your computer, sipping your morning coffee, when suddenly a bright red screen takes over. Your files are locked and the message demands payment in Bitcoin to restore them. Welcome to the nightmare world of ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts your files or locks you out of your system until you pay a ransom to the attacker. This modern-day digital extortion can hit anyone, from individuals to large corporations. But don't panic. Understanding ransomware and knowing how to protect yourself can keep your data safe. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of ransomware, how to avoid it, and what to do if you fall victim. What is ransomware? Ransomware typically works by infiltrating your computer through a phishing email, a malicious website, or by exploiting vulnerabilities in your software. Once inside, it encrypts your files, making them inaccessible. The attacker then demands a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency, in exchange for the decryption key. Common types of ransomware. Crypto ransomware encrypts files and demands payment for the decryption key. Locker ransomware locks you out of your device entirely, demanding a ransom to regain access. Shareware pretends to be legitimate software, such as antivirus, demanding payment for fake threats. How to protect yourself from ransomware. Avoiding ransomware requires a proactive approach. Here are some best practices to keep your digital life secure. Number 1. Regular backup. Why? If your files are encrypted, backups allow you to restore them without paying the ransom. How? Use external hard drives or cloud storage solutions. Make sure your backup systems are disconnected from the main network to prevent ransomware from spreading. Number 2. Keep your software updated. Why? Software updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that ransomware exploits. How? Enable automatic updates for your operating system and applications. Number 3. Use strong security software. Why? Antivirus and anti-malware programs can detect and block ransomware before it causes damage. Invest in reputable security software and keep it updated. Enable real-time protection and regular scans. Number 4. Be wary of email attachments and links. Why? Phishing emails are a common ransomware delivery method. How? Avoid opening attachments or clicking links from unknown senders. Verify the sender's identity before interacting with any suspicious emails. Number 5. Implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Why? Strong passwords and MFA make it harder for attackers to gain access to your accounts. Use a password manager to create and store complex passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. Number 6. Educate yourself and your team. Why? Awareness and training can prevent accidental clicks on malicious links. How? Regularly educate yourself and your team on the latest cybersecurity threats and safe online practices. What to do if you're attacked by ransomware. If you find yourself a victim of ransomware, quick and decisive action can mitigate the damage. Number 1. Disconnect and isolate. Why? Prevent the ransomware from spreading to other devices on your network. Oh, immediately disconnect your infected device from the internet and your network. Number 2. Don't pay the ransom. Why? Paying doesn't guarantee you'll get your files back and encourages further attacks. How? Seek alternative recovery methods instead. Number 3. Identify the ransomware. Why? Knowing the type of ransomware can help in finding specific decryption tools or solutions. Oh, use online resources like ID Ransomware to identify the strain based on the ransom note or encrypted file extensions. Number 4. Report the attack. Why? Authorities can track and combat cybercrime more effectively with your report. How? Report the incident to your local law enforcement or cybersecurity authorities. Number 5. Restore from backups. Why? If you have recent backups, you can restore your system to a pre-attack state. How? Follow your backup recovery procedures to get your files back. Number 6. Seek professional help. Why? Cybersecurity professionals can assist in recovery and securing your system against future attacks. How? Contact a reputable cybersecurity firm or IT specialist. Final thoughts. Ransomware is a scary and evolving threat, but with the right knowledge and precautions, you can significantly reduce your risk. Regular backups, vigilant online habits, and robust security measures are your best defenses. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay informed, because in the digital age, an ounce of prevention is worth a terabyte of cure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.